Selamat datang di channel Remaja Viral. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel ini, guys. Dan seperti biasa, saya akan berdoa agar kalian diberikan kesehatan dan kesuksesan. Amin. Nah, welcome back. Kali ini kita akan mengamati lagi perkembangan dari Putri Ariani, guys. Kali ini ada sosok gitaris ternama dari luar negeri, Melody, yang sangat-sangat mengagumi atau baru melihat Putri Ariani. Dia kaget dan shock, guys. Dia nggak nyangka bahwa Putri Ariani memiliki suara sebagus ini. Apalagi penghayatannya di semua lagu yang dibawakannya nggak main-main. Nggak pernah main-main Putri membawakan lagu apapun, guys. Jadi wow, amazing. Kali ini Putri Ariani sudah menggenggam dunia dengan bakatnya, guys. Ini sudah menjadi pencapaian terbagus. Oke, tanpa terlalu banyak cerita di depan, link video original ada di deskripsi paling bawah. Yuk kita menonton videonya. Let's go, guys.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Alex here with another reaction video. Of course, me on this side, discovering new music. You on the other side, watching and maybe discovering music with me. It's an amazing thing, right? Music, it's an amazing thing. Maybe you don't know the artist. You're just gonna hear it and you're gonna say, "Wow." I say wow a lot of times because without a reaction channel, I was like living under a rock. I can say that because unfortunately, at least where I am, on the TV, on on the radio, they're playing the same shit always. Sorry for the S word, but it's true. So there are a lot of artists in this world that we should know about. So yeah, for me, a reaction channel helps a lot. Anyways, enough talking. Today we have an amazing and beautiful talent from Indonesia, and I'm talking about Putri
Dari
Ariani.
Indonesia.
I have 2-3 reactions to her. You can find them on the channel, or maybe I'm gonna leave a card at the end of the video if you wanna go and check those out. She's she's a lesson to all of us, in my opinion. Really a lesson. She can see more than a lot of us. She's this a gift and the talent. If you don't believe in them, you have to watch this girl. My opinion, okay? So this is what we're going to do. The song that you guys ask, it's a song from Queen, of course, Bohemian Rhapsody, which is an amazing song, a hard song to do, but I know and I'm
Ini
sure
lagu yang
that
sangat
she's
keren,
going to
guys.
do an
Queen.
amazing job. So like the video, of course, that's important. If you want to do, subscribe if you want to see more reaction. Have to stop for a little bit over here, so if you want to skip, just skip. The way she sings, it's awesome, it's beautiful. Not only her voice, she's on the key, she
Bener.
plays the damn thing. She plays it, okay? I could have, like, I don't know, 10 eyes and not being able to play like that. But every time I did the reaction to this girl, and not only being amazed of her talent, but like I was saying at the beginning, she is a lesson and a living proof to all of us that all the problems that we have, all the things that we are facing, that for us in this moment are so hard, are so difficult, and they are, okay? But look at her, okay? So she's the living proof, like I was saying, that everything, it's, you have the power if you want, and you can, it's
Yes.
everything
setuju, guys,
and
soal itu.
anything that comes to you, good, bad, you have the power to overcome it. And she found this in music, and she's an example for me. I have a lot of respect for this girl. Not only, like I was saying, because of her talent, because of her voice, but because of her courage. Because
Yes.
of her way of showing us, or showing me, because I have to talk about me, showing life that you can have a lot of difficulties and you can still be happy. And that we take a lot of things for granted every day. And we shouldn't do that. Yeah. Anyways, I'm making this video too long. Sorry.
Nggak apa-apa bro, nggak apa-apa.
Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go. Gotta leave you all behind and face the truth. Mama, I don't wanna die. Sometimes wish I'd never been born at all. Oh, baby, can't do this to me, baby. Just gotta get out, just gotta get right out of here. Nothing really matters. Anyone can see. Nothing really matters. Nothing really matters to me.
Yeah. Like I said, respect is an example. And I know out there are a lot of other people with problems, disabilities, I don't know how you want to call them, which have an amazing talent.
Sangat
Today we're
bijaksana
talking about
suaranya
Putri,
guys.
which I'm really glad that I found her and being blessed to hear her voice and to hear and to see an example. Like I said, you know, she can't see, but I think she can see more than me and a lot of us that are out there. Okay, like, don't want to make this too long. I already did. I spoke too much, and I'm sorry about that. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Don't know what's your opinion about it. I can wait to see her on AGT, of course, and she's my favorite on that contest. I hope she's gonna win it. Indonesia has a lot of talents, but you know, I have
Yes,
a lot
yes.
of reaction to
Bener guys, bener.
a lot of Indonesian artists, and I'm sure there are even more out there for me, for us to discover, and I hope we're gonna do that together. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you want to do that, and thank you to all. Like I always say, until next time, stay safe.
Oke guys, jadi akan kita deskripsikan apa yang sudah kita lihat tadi. Jadi ini musisi gitaris melodi guys yang saya ngerti. Jadi dia sangat-sangat bangga sekali lah intinya melihat Putri Ariani, dan berkat Putri Ariani juga Indonesia saat ini dilirik oleh orang-orang luar negeri bahwa wah, di Indonesia banyak talent sekarang. Wah, di Indonesia ternyata banyak orang berbakat. Wah, di Indonesia banyak musisi, vokalis, dan banyak musisi-musisi yang memiliki skill-skill guys. Jadi Putri Ariani menunjukkan ke dunia bahwa di Indonesia ada banyak talent, ada banyak orang berbakat gitu. Wow, amazing. Kali ini Putri Ariani sedang berjuang di acara Agate. Yuk kita support bersama-sama, kita dukung agar maju lebih jauh lagi, maju dan lebih tinggi lagi. Kita dukung semuanya. Kita hanya bisa membantu dan mendukung, karena nanti menang atau tidaknya ya urusan Yang Maha Kuasa. Intinya kita berusaha untuk mendukung dan menyupport Putri Ariani. Yuk kita let's go, support terus guys Putri Ariani. Dan ada lagi juga musisi dari tanah air, Cakrakan. Kita support semuanya. Yuk kita support semuanya. Kita harus menunjukkan kepada dunia bahwa Indonesia punya talent yang baik. Oke, jadi apa tanggapan kalian juga tulis di kolom komentar. Sekian video kali ini, dan mungkin jika ada kesalahan kata dari saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.